Are you new to the world of crypto and don't know where to start? Well, you're in the right place. In the constantly evolving digital world, cryptocurrency has emerged as a game changer. It's a digital or virtual form of currency built on a technology called blockchain, which makes it secure and immutable. Cryptocurrencies are not controlled by any central authority, making them immune to government interference or manipulation. The importance of cryptocurrencies has grown exponentially. From being a niche concept, it has now become a global phenomenon, with an increasing number of people investing in it. This video aims to be your compass in this vast sea of crypto, providing you with a step-by-step guide to start investing in cryptocurrencies. We'll explore everything from understanding the underlying blockchain technology, choosing the right cryptocurrency, selecting a wallet and exchange, to making your first crypto purchase. So let's delve deeper and understand the steps to start your journey in the crypto world. Before you start investing, it's crucial to understand the backbone of crypto, and that's blockchain technology. So, what is blockchain? In its simplest form, blockchain is a type of database. However, instead of storing data in a traditional table format, blockchain stores information in blocks that are chained together. Now, why is this important for crypto? Well, because it's what makes cryptocurrency secure and transparent. Every transaction made with a cryptocurrency gets recorded on this blockchain, creating a publicly accessible ledger. This means that every single Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whatever coin you're interested in has its entire transaction history available for anyone to see. And here's the kicker. Once data is recorded on the blockchain, it can't be changed or tampered with. This immutability adds an extra layer of security and trust, making it near impossible to counterfeit cryptocurrencies. With a basic understanding of blockchain, you're now ready to take the first step into investing. Choosing the right cryptocurrency to invest in is the first step towards your crypto journey. So, how do you make this crucial choice? It's all about understanding the market trends, assessing the stability of the coin, and aligning it with your personal risk tolerance. Cryptocurrencies can be volatile, so it's important to consider the stability of the coin. Look at its historical data and see how it's been performing. Is it stable over time, or does it fluctuate wildly? Next, consider your risk tolerance. If you're a risk taker, you might be more inclined to invest in newer, more volatile cryptocurrencies. If you're more conservative, established coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum might be more your speed. Lastly, remember the old saying about not putting all your eggs in one basket. It applies to cryptocurrency too. Diversify your portfolio with a mix of stable and potentially high-growth cryptocurrencies to balance risk and reward. Once you've chosen your cryptocurrency, it's time to find a secure platform to buy them. Scene script. Selecting a secure and reliable cryptocurrency wallet and exchange is crucial for your crypto investment. Let's delve into the significance of a crypto wallet and exchange. Picture your crypto wallet as a digital bank account. It's where you store, send, and receive cryptocurrency. But unlike traditional bank accounts, crypto wallets give you complete control over your money, which is a double-edged sword. You're entirely responsible for your fund's safety, so it's essential to select a wallet with robust security measures. So, what should you look for in a crypto wallet? Firstly, consider the security features. Look for wallets that offer two-factor authentication, multi-signature transactions, and secure PIN codes. Also, some wallets provide recovery phrases, a series of words that can restore your funds if you lose access to your wallet. This feature is like a safety net for your digital money. Next, consider the user interface. You want a wallet that's easy to navigate, especially if you're new to the crypto world. A confusing interface can lead to costly mistakes, like sending funds to the wrong address, so prioritize wallets with clear, intuitive designs. Now, let's talk about cryptocurrency exchanges. These are platforms where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. When choosing an exchange, security is again paramount. Look for exchanges with a strong track record, robust security protocols, and insurance against potential losses. Also, consider the fees. Most exchanges charge a fee for each transaction, and these can add up over time. So compare the fee structures of different exchanges to find one that fits your budget. Lastly, don't overlook customer service. You want an exchange that provides prompt and helpful support, especially when you're dealing with something as volatile as crypto. Look for exchanges with 24/7 customer service and a variety of contact options. With a secure wallet and exchange in place, you're almost ready to make your first crypto purchase. Now that everything's set, you're ready to make your first crypto purchase. The process can feel a bit daunting, but with a bit of guidance, you'll be a crypto buyer in no time. Let's walk through it together. First, decide on the amount you want to invest. Start small, especially as a beginner. You can always invest more later as you get more comfortable. Remember, investing in cryptocurrency, like any investment, comes with risks. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Next, go to your chosen exchange. They will guide you through the process, which usually involves selecting the cryptocurrency you want to buy, entering the amount you want to spend, and clicking buy. Just like that, you've made your first crypto purchase. Now that you're an official crypto investor, it's important to keep track of the market. The value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate dramatically, so it's crucial to stay informed about market trends. Many people find it helpful to set up alerts for price changes. Another key point to remember is to stay updated with crypto news. The crypto world moves fast, and keeping up to date with the latest news can give you an edge. Subscribe to crypto news sites and follow trusted crypto influencers on social media. Finally, a word of caution. Cryptocurrency is a volatile market and prices can go up and down at a rapid pace. Don't let fear or greed drive your decisions. Keep your emotions in check and make decisions based on research, not on the heat of the moment. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to make your first crypto purchase and some final tips to guide you as you venture into this exciting new world of digital finance. Congratulations on starting your crypto journey. Remember, patience is key in the world of crypto investing.